Another hot take. But anyways, my hot take is that if you have a famous or popular YouTube sibling, you do not deserve to immediately get a bunch of subs just because your sibling or friend is popular. I'm not saying you don't deserve any subs, I'm just saying that you should actually work for it. This also goes for when someone's an artist and then their younger sibling makes a channel and then gets their art praised even if it's not that good. Totally not targeted. So I'm not saying it's their fault, I'm just saying it's so unfair to immediately get a bunch of subs just because of that. It'd be cool if that happened, but it wouldn't be the same as working for your subs. Anyways, Astro out.